In Kapalbhati Pranayama, you will be expanding your stomach while inhaling and forcefully breathe out, taking your stomach inside. Remember, while exhaling, you're taking your stomach inside. Total, you'll be doing 3 sets. In each set, you'll be doing minimum 60 strokes. 60 to 120 strokes is the best amount of Kapalbhati set. And make sure your stomach is always empty while doing Kapalbhati. Let your palms be facing up, both your palms. I'm doing this just to show how my stomach is moving. Forcefully take your stomach inside while exhaling. Kapalbhati is very beneficial if you have any digestion problem. It gives you really nice sleep. It reduces stress. It's really helpful for people with any kind of respiratory problem. Now, continue. Keep your eyes closed. Keep your attention on your stomach region or in your forehead region. It activates your brain cells also. Relax. This was one full cycle of Kapalbhati Pranayama. Make sure while inhaling you're taking your stomach inside. Don't do ulta. You will get headache if you do that. I'm repeating again. And make sure you'll do at least 3 sets. After Kapalbhati, do Brahmari Pranayama or alternate nostril breathing or Ujjayi Pranayama, which soothes your mind. If you have BP or heart problem, you can do less. You can do it slowly. Most important, do it slowly. Maintain this pace, okay? Do it slowly. It's not that bad or something, but it's better to, if you did it ulta, then it's not good for you. If you do it properly, Kapalbhati is very good for your heart also. But if you did it wrong, it might not help you. That's why I'm telling, do it slowly, consciously when you have high BP or heart problem, okay?